has your office done to reduce the racial
Sorry, you should have flipped. Start. So Ms. Taffy will start now and then.
Okay, yes, I've been correct. So
No worries.
put a pin in that question. We're going to go to a question directed to Ms. Tafty. Ms. Tafty, have you tried any cases in Arlington or Falls Church? And additionally, do you believe extensive local trial experience is important for this role? Why or why not?
I don't think that extensive local trial experience is important to this role. What's important to this role is having hindsight and knowing how the system makes mistakes and how to fix them, and being able to reflect on how the system functions in an honest way. My opponent has insinuated repeatedly that I lack experience, even though she knows I have 20 years of criminal justice practice, and even though she knows that on a daily basis, the cases that I handle are far more complex than the simple marijuana possession cases that she insists on prosecuting. We all know that she's not challenging my experience. She's challenging whether someone like me, who has spent a career defending the poor, exonerating the innocent, and fixing the mistakes of the system, should be making decisions about who and what to prosecute on the front end. But the military requires lawyers to switch sides precisely so that they don't get entrenched. And my answer is that if you want a system that makes us safe, is humane, is transparent, reflective, and based on evidence and data, then you definitely want.
That is time, but I do want to use moderator's discretion to see your question to the first answer, or answer to the first question. Have you tried cases in Arlington or Falls Church?
No, and I don't think it's necessary to. This is not a trial attorney position. This is a management and policy position.
Thank you. So the next,
I use the flag again. My opponent doesn't think it's important that she's ever had a jury trial or a bench trial because, and says that it's a management position, is simply untrue. I go to court every single day, and every single day the prosecutors in my office look to me to be able to plan trial strategy, to understand how to prepare an opening statement, to introduce critical and complicated evidence. It's important that you have the ability to try cases. My opponent has not done that. I absolutely value the work she's done as an appellate lawyer, but this is a trial job.
Right, last time I think there was another.
Yeah, about this. I've had a front row seat to the mistakes that prosecutors make that ruin innocent people's lives while allowing perpetrators to walk free. Mistakes that re-traumatize victims and survivors, and mistakes that take decades and multiple hearings to fix. It is exactly that experience that I bring to train prosecutors, not to replicate the mistakes of the past.
Thank you. That is